so that in case if you need to just go back and then watch this video, you can do that. So here on 2nd December, we'll be having the RBI policy review today. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be in case of any trades in the morning, we'll try to close all the positions before 10:30 or 10:45, and then we'll just watch how the market reacts to the news. So right now the currency market is open. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be showing you 3 applications, 3 softwares. That is, one is, this is the futures tree, where we'll be trading in 30 scripts, only intraday. And the other supporting software is, we have this Ninja Trader, that is our trading tree. Let me just open a chart for you. So it's going to be a gap down open. So this is how we open the trading tree chart. So you can just see that, okay, we're at 62.31. So this is a trading tree chart where we'll be doing both intraday and positional trades. And apart from this, we have a new application that is the PriceCatch. It's basically a robo which you can use to place the trades. So you have a facility for paper trading, and in case if you have now Nest, Odin DAC, or Angel or MetaTrader, you can place all your trades on this, all these 5 terminals. So in case if you have something else, like if you are using ShareCan, or if you are using ICICI Direct, it won't be possible. So in case if you have now Nest, Odin, Angel DAC, and MetaTrader, you can place your trades in your terminals. So this is one thing what I will be showing you also, how to place the trades, and placing multiple trades, that is also a possibility here. So this is, so I'll just start so let me just show you once more. Now Nest, Odin, Angel, and MetaTrader, you should be having one of these terminals to use this particular application. So I'll just start the auto trade. So I have the scripts ready here. We have certain scripts on news today that will be your rate sensitives. So I will just add some more scripts here. Let me add Bank of Baroda. So in case if you want to trade in any other script, you can just type the name here and you can start trading. But you will be able to trade only on the scripts that are available in the F&O segment only. So in place of Wipro, what I'll do is I'll add Bank of India. So the banking scripts will be very active today. So in case of ITC, let me add ASHOKLEY, SUNPHARMA Tech, Bharti Airtel, I will add IRB. In place of Reliance, I will add IBREALEST. ONGC will just retain the rest of the scripts. CANBK, we can add. CANBK is it should be active today. So in place of JP Associates, let me add CANBK. So this is futures tree. So you get to trade in 30 scripts at a single time, and the prices what you get here are the spot market prices, with the spot market prices you can trade in the spot, you can trade in futures, and you can trade in options also. And now what we have very simple application here. What you do is you just check your login. We'll be giving you a login ID. So you'll check in with your login ID and then click on the historical data at 9:15. Sorry, before 9:15. So I have already done that. So at around 9:15, what we'll be doing is we'll be clicking on the current day data and we'll be getting the prices for some of these scripts. And then we will just put it on auto refresh mode. We have a button here. So as soon as we click that, your data will get refreshed every 3 to 4 seconds, and we will be getting calls, the entry levels, that is the entry prices. So once we get the entry prices, either a buy or a sell call for each and every script, then we can start trading in those particular scripts. So that is about the futures tree, and trading tree also will be opening the charts. So once we open the charts, we'll be getting buy or sell pop-up alerts with voice. So once we get the calls, then we'll be placing orders on the trading tree also. And to do this particular placing of calls, we will be using the PriceCatch, which is in ROBO. Now we have our own strategies in trading tree and futures tree. So you can either use those strategies, or in case if you are new to this and if you have built your own strategies, you can apply that in the PriceCatch. So the PriceCatch is the name of the trader, the robo trading software. So you can use, we have something like, I have added all the scripts already, that is in the F&O segment. And other than this, we have something called as the active trades. So once you place the order, you'll be getting the scripts which are in trade. It will show you the target, it will show you your MTM, it will show your LTP prices, stop loss and targets and all this stuff. And this is one section where once you have squared off some positions, either in profit or loss, it will come into your completed orders. And the setting and options we have, so I'm using paper trading now. You have certain risk management tools. That is, you can, that is one thing is the stop loss and the trailing stop loss, which you can set your own limits. And you have something called this money management, where you can set your active profits. If you say I want only 5,000 profit, so it will square off automatically. And even the loss also. You define your own loss, you define your own profit. Just click these buttons here, and then it will automatically square off your positions. And time management is something, if you want to start at this time and then close at this time, you can just feed in that data also, that is hours, minutes and seconds. And the risk management is something what we have here. I have added 100 scripts, active orders, so that I can place 100 orders at a single time. You can even change this, that is 50 long and 50 short I have put it in. And orders per, maximum orders per script, and you have LTP, and you have something called as smart quality management, where you can define how much money you want to invest in single script. So this will again depend on your margins, or what is the maximum margin that you get. And the data source is already connected, so you don't have to worry about it. And we have something called as a manual orders here, where we can place orders manually. So let's say I have got a buy call and trading tree in ACC or some other script. I can place an order above or below. Above, you can buy or short above and below. You can just give this prices, entry prices here, and then you set up your day order or GTC order, and then just update it. So whenever the price matches, it will automatically get triggered. You don't have to sit and keep watching the chart or the FT, whatever it is, you can just directly place your order and just leave it. Once your trigger is done, once the trigger price reaches, your trade will automatically come into the active trades. So we'll be seeing this once the market opens. I'll be showing you how to place the order, and you can even square off positions, you can change the targets. So these are some of the features that what you have. And in case if you want to square off all the positions at a single time, you can square off all the positions. Let's say if a certain script is already entered at some entry level, and then it has given you profit, and then you want to change your profit, your stop loss to the entry of that particular script, you can even just click on a single click, it will do your job. You don't have to manually go and change your stop losses also. So these are some of the features that we have in the PriceCatch. And apart from this, we have something called as market short and market buy. So these two buttons, what we do is, I'll just show you how it helps in trading with the futures tree file. There are many times in futures tree, once we get the orders, once we get the entry levels, we'll not be able to place the orders very fast. So what we have done here is, we have just used this. So as soon as you get a red or a green, you just go to that particular script and then click on red and green. You want to either short that script or go long on that. So we have that facility here. So I've just added almost all the scripts that is there in the F&O segment. So as soon as we see a red or a green in futures tree, we can just click on this. So I'll just show you those trades also. And let's just check where is Nifty, and that is 20 points. So we were talking about a gap down open, so down 20 points. And so we'll just wait till 9:15, and we'll be taking the current day data at 9:15, and we'll put it on auto refresh now. So I'll just let the scripts to change only few scripts. But otherwise, in case if you think you want to see or you want to watch another script, you can just chat in the message box. You can send me a message in the you send me a message on that particular script. I can even change it, and then you can have a look at it. So these are some of the features what we have. So it's very simple on how we trade in futures trade. We have the entry prices here, we have the targets, we have the stop loss, SL is the stop loss, and against the script name what we have is the current market price that keeps changing. This is the old data. We'll be getting the current data only at 9:15. So once we get an entry price or buy either on the buy or the sell side, it will get into green or red, and then we just directly go to the PriceCatch and then just place our orders. That is buy or sell. So this we are doing it still manually, but this can be automated also, wherein once you 9:15 or 9:20, the whole sheet we can take the trades into our terminal, and it will automatically trigger also. That will take some time, but right now we can definitely do trades in a much better way than a few days back or a week back. And the other advantage is, many people usually ask me how can we trade on so many scripts, and how we do it. So I am just giving you an application which will help you actually to do it better. So we are at 9:15 now, 9:14. So at 9:15 what we will be doing is we'll be taking the current day data. Simultaneously I'll be just opening even the charts also. So the chart, you will actually see the combination of the futures tree and the trading tree, how it works to maximize our profits. At the end of the day, the goal is to make profits and to trade better. So at 9:15 we'll just on this, and then we'll start it off. So I just clicked on the current day data button. You can see at the left corner, bottom corner, you have an icon, a globe icon which is rotating. That actually indicates that the data is being uploaded into the features tree file. So once that is done, once this stops, we will click on the auto refresh on button, auto refresh off, we'll just put it on, and then we'll be getting the prices for most of the scripts. So you can just see the entry prices for HDFC, ICICI are ready. Whereas for some scripts, you'll be getting the red lines, that is vertical red lines, and an X symbol, which actually indicates that that particular script is not ready for trading still. For that, we'll be taking the current day data at 9:20. So that is done now. So let me just put it on, and I'll just put it in full screen mode. So we have SUNPHARMA a buy call, ICICI Bank sell.
Strategy alert.
So that is, I placed an ICICI sell call. SUNPHARMA I can place an buy call. I haven't added SUNPHARMA here. So I should be adding SUNPHARMA. Anyway, I'll just ignore that as of now. And CANBK we have a buy. So what you are seeing here is the current market price. This is your stop loss. And this is your entry prices. So we have calls in CAN, SUNPHARMA, ASHOKLEY, there is an sell call. We will just wait on that because the lot size in ASHOKLEY is a big one. So we'll just wait on that. So you can just see that there are some scripts where we have this vertical red lines. It actually indicates that we have not got the data for those. For that particular scripts, we'll be just taking the current day data at 9:50.
Strategy alert.
So you can see the active trades here. So I think LIC Housing Finance. I'm sorry, I just placed the wrong trade here. So I'll just square that off. I wanted to place an order in L&T. So CANBK we have a buy call. Let me just place an order there. So I'll buy at the market price.
Strategy alert.
So what I will do now is I'll just open the charts. That will actually make our job easier. So we'll know the trend there, and then will be IRB we have a buy call. So I just place an buy in IRB.
Strategy alert.
I'll place a sell call in ASHOKLEY.
Strategy alert.
Bank of Baroda I have a buy call. I'll place the orders.
Strategy alert.
Bank of India I have a buy call.
Strategy alert.
So we'll be squaring off most of the positions before 10 o'clock. I mean 10:30 or 10:45. So because we'll be getting the data at 11.
Strategy alert.
So it's 9:20 now. So what I'll do is I'll just switch off this auto refresh off, and then I'll take the current day data again. So you can just see we have an buy call in IBREALEST, ONGC we have a buy, Hindalco we have a sell. So I will short Hindalco now, or let me just wait till we get this auto refresh on. So you can just see that the left corner, bottom corner, we have this data being loaded. So once that is done, we can place the order for the other scripts also. So I'll just put it on auto refresh on now, and then the full screen mode. So DLF we have a buy, Tata Steel we have a buy, if you are not getting the voice, there is some
Strategy alert.
So there are some scripts which are opened gap up or gap down. Will not be trading in them. We'll be changing those scripts later. So you know the Nifty is at 8540. 8556 is the entry for the buy side. So I'll just show you what is the profits. I mean ASHOKLEY is in profit 1000 rupees. So you'll have to wait. You should give some time for a particular trade to make some profits. So you don't panic and get out of it. So my total loss is around 1400 rupees. So that doesn't matter. So you'll have to wait some time to make the profit. Hero Motor Corp, let me short it. So if you get that message, you just again click it.
Strategy alert.
Cipla, we have a buy call. So now let me just open the charts. So you have the stop losses, targets and stop losses for all the scripts here. So you can keep changing them. So in case if you want to put a trailing stop loss, you can do that. I didn't place that Cipla call, but you can just see that it's already done its intermediate targets. So let me just square off this Hindalco. Hindalco, I think it has hit a stop loss. So I did place a call. Okay. So it's a bit difficult placing the calls when actually talking. So you will be able to actually trade better than without all these things. I have so many applications running on my system also. So that is one other hitch why I'll not be able to place the orders so quickly. So I'm just showing you, but you can do better than this. So don't panic. I mean, when you know that the market is going slightly upwards, we have most of them are buy orders. ASHOKLEY was overbought, so we have shorted. Hero Motors was also the same thing. It had risen and gave good profits yesterday. So obviously the script has to come down. So I'm not squaring off any positions here. I'm just showing you when yes, there are profits always, but booking profits is it depends on your own appetite for money. You know, I mean, some people are happy with $1,000, some people are happy with 10,000 bucks. So finally, at the end of the day, when booking your profits will be your own decisions.
There is a sell call in INFY.
So you can see Infosys. And the other advice is on days like this, it's better not to trade till your news is out.